Alright, what's up guys? We got our camera installed here, our dash cam. So it has two different options to connect it to power. You can either hardwire it, which it gives you the wires to do so in the box, but we did the easier method, which was to install it into the lighter right there. And then we kind of try to hide the wires. We wrapped it around and up in the car so you can't see the wires too much, and then we connected the front right here with the little suction cup sticker, and you can see it's all hooked up. We have the back cam and the front cam, and then let me show you guys the back. So I kind of tried to hide the wires around because I didn't want to damage the car's upholstery. And then if we go to the back, I kind of hid it below under the mat, which you can't even see, and then through the seat in between, and then I ran it up right here, and then you could see our back cam right there with the suction cup. So yeah, check it out. It's pretty easy to hide the wires. If you want, you can try to open up the upholstery, but we didn't want to do that and damage the car. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys some footage. Check it out. All right guys, so here's the dash cam working. You can see the back camera in the top left, and then the front camera in the background. So this is what it looks like in the daytime. It does have an app you could connect to that saves the footage, so you could see it on the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that later on and try to get the footage to you, but this is what it looks like, and then we'll show you the nighttime view as well.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.